Reading Pioneers is proud to present Adventures of Amary, Becoming Positive, written by Khrysanta Marei. Every morning, I choose to wake up happy. I think of wonderful things that could happen in my day. Positive thoughts make me feel good to attract love and kindness. I am ready to enjoy my day. Positive affirmations are words I say and believe to be true. Words are more powerful than you think. What you say is what you believe. What you believe is what you become. I set my thoughts and intentions on what I want to happen. So, I use positive affirmations before I start my day. I say things like, I am loved, happy, smart, beautiful, unique, strong, grateful, kind. I am Amary, and I love myself just the way I am. This is Happy, my positive cloud. He follows me wherever I go. He reminds me to be kind to myself so we can share it with the world. Let your beautiful light shine. I can't do this. This looks hard. I'm never going to get this right. I don't have any friends. Nobody likes me. I'm so stupid. This is all my fault. I feel ugly today. Well, sometimes I don't feel this way. I get worried and intimidated by situations, but I learned that it is okay to feel upset, embarrassed, mad, or worried. When negative thoughts come to visit and I feel and think this way, I pause and take a deep breath. I change these thoughts into positive ones. Instead, I will say, I got this and I will give it a try. I am relaxed. I am friendly and everybody likes me. I am smart. Mistakes help me learn. I am beautiful. My feelings are valid, and it is okay if I feel this way, because this is how I feel right now. I explore outside. I read a book. I draw flowers. I help mommy cook. I eat sweets. I do these things to help me feel better. And when I do, I am back to being positive Amary. Yesterday, during my art class, I was almost done with my painting, and I proudly say, with excitement, I did a fantastic job! When, suddenly, I see a group of girls at the back of the classroom laughing and pointing at me. My excitement went down, and I wondered what was wrong with my painting. Maybe I am not as good as I thought, and they are right. Then I kept thinking about how ugly my painting is, and I told myself, I will not be good at this. My thoughts made me sad, and it changed how I see things around me, until Happy came to the rescue. This is beautiful, and I like it. Don't let other people influence your perception of your work. You did your best, and always be proud of everything you do. Believe in yourself, and don't let others put you down. Now that I feel better about myself, I look at my painting again and proudly say, I did great, and it is a work of art. I am enough, and I am proud of the things I do. My negative emotions do not define me, and no matter what, I have the power to manage my thoughts by taking a deep breath and thinking about the things that make me happy. The awareness of how I feel leads me to a positive change. I am loved. I am strong. I am wonderful. I have a kind heart. Keep going. I am doing great. I have a kind heart. I got this. When I find myself in negativity, I play this beautiful song in my head. I have the power to put the negativity aside and continue feeling good and happy. This looks hard. When trying new things, do you find yourself thinking, this is hard? This is complicated. This is too much. Don't get discouraged. Instead, change your thoughts with, this is easy. I got this. This looks fun. I like what I am doing. I will give this a try, and I will do my best. I got this. I am doing a great job. When in doubt, say, I can do it. Besides your parents, you are your own cheerleader. Motivating yourself to do great is an important practice. I can handle it. I am amazing. I can do this. I am doing my best. You will feel limitless. Your confidence will rise to the sky, and nothing can stop you. You will have the courage to try on new things. Remember that you are stronger than you think. You are braver than you can imagine. Being positive is a decision we can always make. Wow, Amary is awesome! Oh, that is so pretty! Be patient and learn to listen to yourself. What you give is what you receive. Be a beautiful person who makes the world a brighter place. Have courage and be kind to yourself. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Becoming Positive by Khrysanta Marei. I think in today's society, it is essential for children to have books of affirmations and stories centered around learning necessary emotional and social skills to better their growth and development. This is why I was so proud to read Becoming Positive. With clever messages on removing negativity from others, children can learn to boost their self-confidence and self-esteem. If you also enjoyed this book, you can show your support by visiting AmaryAcademy.com to learn more about Marei's published children's book series that are dedicated to building valuable life skills for children. She can also be found on Instagram and Facebook with the same name at Amary Academy. Links to all of these and her Amazon page are in the description box below for you to check out. I'm so thankful that Marei contacted me to read her wonderful book. If you have a book you'd like to be read on my channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next read aloud. It would also be great if you like this video. It really does help out this channel a lot. Share this video with friends and family to help others become more positive thanks to this story. Unfortunately, this is it for today. Remember to visit amaryacademy.com for more content and updates on Marei's future books, and for more read-alouds that promote emotional and social intelligence for kids, you can check out more from this YouTube channel, Reading Pioneers Academy. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!